previous class. Now we'll move on to the next chapter, that is the safety and the first aid. Okay, in the previous class we studied about air, how the air transfers from one place to another place. We can see the air or not, we can feel the air or not, and how the air what we say surrounds the our place where we are staying now, how it acquires that place, how we feel it, how we smell it. Can we smell the air? Yes, if the something is mixed with that, like for example perfume smell, if it mixed with the air, then we feel the smell of the air. But air don't have any color, air don't have any smell also. It is a colorless thing. Okay, understood now? Now in the previous class we solved the air and after that we solved the exercise part also. Our new chapter, the fresh one, will move on to the next chapter, that is safety and the first aid. Safety. Okay, this is our new chapter. Today we'll do this. Okay, we will start this chapter before the first thing, that is prayer. We will not forget that. We'll do it and we'll continue with the chapter. All of you close your eyes. Repeat after me. गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बू बलसारभक्षितं उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. Okay, now we'll start with our chapter, the safety and the first aid. What is the meaning of safety then? Safety means maintaining ourselves or making ourselves safe. How to be safer? Safer means Surakshita. Okay, the meaning in Kannada I will tell. Surakshita. How to be safe? Like to get damaged from anything. To get, if we to avoid our injuries. To be safer. Okay, all will tell na Usharagiro. Bidgiddi. Ushara Mardada. Bidgiddi. Why they will tell? They will tell to be safe. We have to be safe. Okay, for example, if we get injury, if we get pain anywhere, how to do the first aid for that? First aid means ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಇದ್ದು ಕಾಟನ್ ತಗೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋದು, ಹಚ್ಕೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್. ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ದೆಮ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್. Okay, suddenly after falling down or after getting any injury, suddenly doing the treatment, suddenly taking the treatment is called as a first aid. Okay, understood now? We'll do that now. Okay, all of you open 185, page number 185. They given one picture there. We'll see it. Look at the two pictures and discuss what the children are doing. Do you think the children are practicing the safe habits? See the pictures. First boy, he is stepping down. He is stepping down. Okay, that also too fastly. It is not correct. We have to step down slowly. If we fall down, we get too much heavy injuries. We get pain in here, head. We get pain in legs. We get pain in hands. Any way we can get. So we have to step down slowly. Second, in the second picture, the boy is getting down from the bus when the bus is running. It is too bad, children. We don't have to do that. If you do it, you will be in some case. The children will what? If you do that, they will die also. If they come under the wheels, they will fall off. They will die also. Okay? So we have to not get down. When the bus is stopped, we have to get down that time only. Understood? We have to be safer when we are going somewhere or coming somewhere or doing something. We have to maintain the precaution of being safe. Okay? Now we'll start with our chapter. All of you open page number 185. We must try to follow safety rules all the time. We have some of the rules. Safety rules we have. We have to follow that safety rules, children. We don't have to lead like that only. The simple life, if we go on leading the neglecting life, we get so many injuries. We get pain. So we have to maintain the safety rules. We should also learn to take care of ourselves and others also. We have to take care of ourselves, and who all are with you, we have to take care of them also. ಏನಂಗಾಗೈತೆ ನಾ ಆರಾಮದೇನು ಸಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು. We have to take care of others also. We have to take care of ourselves. We have to take care of others also. Here are some important safety rules. Okay, some of the safety rules which shall be studied. Safety. Some of the safety rules. Safety at home. How to be safer at home. Do not leave your toys or books on the floor. You or someone else may trip and fall. When you are playing, after playing, keep it in the cupboard. Keep it in the box. Don't keep on the floor only. If someone trip the feet on that, they will get pain, or else they will slide off and they will fall down. They will get injury. So we don't have to leave that like that only. After playing, we have to keep that all things in the proper way. Okay? The first one at home, after playing, keep them in place. Proper place, that also. Okay, proper place. Second one, do not play with knives or other sharp objects. We don't have to play with knives. ಚಾಕು ಇಂತ್ರ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಆಟ ಆಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಥವಾ ಕತ್ರಿ ಇಂತ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಪಿನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಆಡಬಾರ್ದು. It will injure yourself or else it will injure others. Okay, we don't have to play with that, children. Please be safer from that all things. Don't touch the sharp edged things. Okay, next one, do not play with the matchsticks, kaddibiki. Okay, do not play that because you don't know how to do that. By mistakenly, if you do it and it will take off the what we say, the fire if comes, you will feel what? You will feel burning effect. If it comes to your hand, you will feel burning effect. So do not play with that. Okay, first one, do not. Second one, do not play with matchsticks. Okay, next one more is there. We studied that time. Do not play with sharp things. Okay, fourth one, do not touch electrical wires, switches, plugs with a wet hands. You may get an electric work. Okay, electric shock you will get. If you have electric switches here, don't touch it directly. Don't pin in that also. Some students, some kids will do that. Don't do that, because if you do it, you will get a current shock. The current will be passing inside. So you will feel a shock. Do not lean on a balcony railing. Okay, ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಬಾಲ್ಕನಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಮನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗಿ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು. By mistake, if the blood comes up, you will fall down. Okay, you will get too much heavy injuries. Balcony. These are some of the safety rules which we have to take care at the home. Children. When we are going out, when we are being out, we have to take care in the other way. But when we are staying at home, we have to take care of these all things. We have to maintain these all things. First thing, after playing, whatever you are playing now, after playing, you have to keep the toys in the proper way, in the proper place where it is there now. From where we are taking, in that place only we have to keep that all toys. Okay. Second one, do not play with a matchstick. We don't have to play with the matchsticks. By mistakenly or somehow, when you are playing, suddenly if it takes the fire, you feel burning effect. That will affect yourself. Okay. Next one, do not play with the sharp things like blade or pins or cutters. Don't play with that because you all are small kids. By mistakenly, you will get pain. So we have to be safe. Next one, do not touch electrical wires. So why we don't have to touch? Because the current is passing inside. Okay, if you pin it inside, you will get electric shocks. Fifth one, do not lean on balcony. When you are going up or when you are playing on the balcony, do not lay down. Okay, by mistakenly if the both legs come up, you will fall down and you will feel injuries in the head or any other place. That will be too severe, children. So we don't have to do this all when we are at home. These all are the safety rules which we have to follow when we are in the home. Okay. Next one, safety on the roads. The safety on the roads or when we are outside. Safety on the roads. Safety on the roads. Okay. First one, never play on the road. When we are walking on the road, we don't have to play because the vehicles are moving. Okay, vehicles are moving and some cycles are moving. So you will get pain there. So you will get injuries there. So we don't have to walk on road side. You all have a what we say baju on platform and you have to walk in that. Okay, you will not get any effect in there. Never play on the. Okay. Second one, always walk on a footpath. If there is a no footpath, walk on the right side of the road. This will help you to see the vehicles that are coming from the front. Okay. When you are walking on the road, don't walk on the road. Walk on the footpath. Walk on the footpath. If there is a no footpath, then walk on the which side? Right side. Because we can see which vehicle is coming front. Then we can move. If we are walking in the left side, you will not get the which vehicle is coming front. Okay? You will get accident. You will be too much heavy injuries you will get. Okay? Always walk on the footpath. Where we have to walk? Footpath. Okay? Next one, third one. Always cross at zebra crossing only. We have to cross on zebra crossing only. Suddenly, if anyway you want to cross it, don't cross, okay? There check zebra cross is there or no. If it's not there, then wait until no vehicles are passing. Then only, with that also, with your parents' guidance. Okay? Don't take the confidence that we can cross by yourself. Because suddenly you will not understand which vehicle is coming front. They will be too fastly moving. So we have to move slowly. That also we have to cross on zebra cross only. Understood? Where we have to cross? Always cross at zebra cross. Okay. Next one. First look to the right, then to the left, and then the right again. Cross the road only when it is clear. Cross the road when it is clear. First look at the right. First look at the left. Both the sides we have to see. Then we have to cross the road. Look to the road and then pass. Fifth one, use overbridges and subways whenever available. Use overbridges or a subways whenever needed. Okay, ಈಗ ರೋಡ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಹತ್ತಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಹತ್ತಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗ ಹಿಂಗ ಓಡಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ at the railway crossings. Wait for the train to pass. When we are on the railway station, wait until train is coming or not, check, then pass. Or else don't pass only. You have a bridges now, pass from that. Don't get down and pass the train track. Okay, the trains are moving too fastly. Within a second of movement, they will pass off. If you are down, you can't come up also because the train track will be too down. Okay, so we don't have to use the train track to cross the road. We have to use what? Bridges. They will prepare the bridges now. From that we have to. Understood, children? Today what we studied? We studied about the safety rules at the home, how we have to take care. Safety rules which we have to follow on the roads, we have to study. We studied today. Never play on the road. We have to play, don't have to play on the road. Next one, do not what? Walk on the, we have to walk on the where? Footpath only. Don't walk on the roads. Okay? Next one, wait for the buses or car is coming. See the left, see the right, then move. And cross only in the zebra cross. Don't cross anywhere. Next one, use overbridges or a subways to cross the road. And in the train railway station, see the bridges, cross from that only. Don't cross by train tracks. Don't cross by train tracks. Okay. Next one, we studied about the rules of at home and we studied about the rules at roads also. Okay. These are some of the rules of a safety rules of doing at the home and some of the rules of the roads. Okay. These all are important. We have to follow these all things when we are being to get safer and do not get the injuries. Okay, understood, children? Please practice these all things. Read 2 times or practice these all things and we'll see the next class. Okay, practice these all things. We'll meet you in the next class, children. Bye.